pa to. Bili ka na ng bagong phone.
Thank you po.
Kasi
Meron ka request mong ano eh.
Gogo? Ako talaga?
Oo talaga bro. Thank you kuya.
Ari ka?
Bakit?
Pwede dito?
Kaya patanggal ako nung ano, nung stand.
Yun lamig.
Hindi dito lang kay Pride.
Bakit Beba? Beba, parang ako ng board.
Okay, bitawan ng 4 ko yung boss. Magbitawan kayo dyan. Sanay na si Romel.
Stepping on the line, B, may linawin.
First referee ako be. Ako check. Wala.
Wala siya ngayon.
Narinig kayo. Let's go, Harold.
Sakit? Nagdadry sa electric.
Ano?
Nagdadry yung contact ko sa hammer. Grabe.
Nice try kaya, Mars.
Fort Spider na Sir Rod. Fort Spider.
Ano na, pag-boosted development.
Be, i-call mo kasi.
Ako pa, bakla, di mo siya.
Hindi
Hindi
siya.
na kita kasi nakaharap ko yun.
Bading ka?
Sorry po.
May amazing.
May ano kasi kayo, may mic kayo, tawag nyo.
Kailangan kasi pito muna bago announce. Buti na.
Bet, tawagan nyo yung stepping.
Buti na hindi ko ka-team si Romel. 11 serving 10. Serve outside. 11 serving 11. Now serving.
Kifi, okay.
Balin.
Ricky Tolentino.
Napagod ako kanina, be. Sa sobrang busog ko. Agad.
Meron pa, huwag ka nakakain,
Hindi,
Jayco,
be.
ha?
Napagod.
Hindi na makain later.
Nice. That was a stomach block by Rod Lansana. Now serving Tolentino. Nini Nabo.
Analukot!
Still on deck.
Analukot!
Kicks Tolentino. Nice receive. That was a nice drop from Teo Gagate.
Analukot.
Guevara, Analukot. Sorry.
Analukot.
Yeah.
Guevara, analukot.
Nice receive. That was a nice attack from Harold Kabili.
Harold! Hindi ko ba mo nakikita dito, ah?
Now serving Kabili.
Kabigtin mo.
Kapinpin.
Outside. Still on deck. Harold Kabigtin. Sorry. Harold Santos. Nice receive. That was a nice cover. Nice one. Okay, badminton ware.
Badminton ware.
Oh, labanan ng middle. Oh, ginamit ang block. Pinalo ni Zhao. Oh,
Kasi pag nag-rot.
mukhang walang receive ngayon si Romel.
Nice one, Ron.
Or madalas, sorry. Now serving, Harold Kabili.
Now serving, Kapinpin.
Nanood lang sa harap si Harold. Gagap sa 25. Okay, anong gagawin? Nice one.
Bet 25 sabihin mo.
Score 18, serving 13.
Sabihin mo 25.
This set is up to 25. Now serving, Rod Lansangan. Nice receive. Pinalo. That was a nice attack by Guevara Analuco from Russia.
Guevara, analukot. Ay, dano lang yun.
25. This set is up to 25. Now serving,
Hilak ko.
Teo Gagate from the Philippines. Nice set. That was another point from Guevara Analukut from Moscow, Russia. Now serving from the Philippines, Teo Gagate.
Outside.
Outside. Score 19, serving 15.
Pagkalala talaga ng si Bempo, ha?
Now serving,
Benok sa'yo pala din ni Zhao.
Umandal.
Zhao Umanda. Zhao the
Joe Umandal. Inside.
outside.
Inside.
Outside.
Now serving is the import of JD Marv.
Inside.
Inside. We're now recalling the score. Balik.
So,
Ay, paano pronounce yung pangalan mo? Joe or Zhao? Joe. Di Joe kasi.
Joe Umandal.
Joe Umandal. Nice receive from Marvin.
Nice one, Guevara, analukot.
Guevara Analukot is doing everything for her team. Ayan, no? Now serving. Guevara Analukot.
Nice one, Guevara.
Naglalaro na si Analukot since 1956 Olympics. Oh, what a tap from a bottom. Sorry. Inside from Michael De La Peña. Now serving. Mic drop.
Ayaw nito.
Wala. Dario.
21 serving 16. Outside.
Ano ba?
Next on deck, we have
Romel Ana de Silva.
Bakangke.
Rommel Ana Receive.
Ano rin siya?
Net block. 22 serving 17. Ayan, no, nakikita natin si Guevara Ana Lucon motivating her team. Sana totoo ang motivation niya. Charot. Inside. Now serving.
Wala pong cover si Guevara Ana Lukot sa likod.
Injured si Guevara Ana Lucon. Now serving. Aldrich.
Ay, Alrich.
Aldrich Asuncion. Ay, Aldrich. Sorry.
Nice one, Guevara.
Nice Guevara Ana Lucon. Oh. Last one. Next team, we have Team 3 and Team 4.
Ay, latang kahit pa na. Relation kineme. Good!
May ball pen ka?
Now serving, Ray Balino.